Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get free money on Cash App or how to save money on Cash App. Just simply open Cash App from here guys, and after that you have to tap on your profile, and let me tell you that if you invite a customer, just simply you have to tap on this, and just simply here you have to put the name or phone number or email. If he received your invite and if he download the Cash App, you can easily get $15. Okay guys, just simply invite more customer to earn more money. Okay guys, you can also use referral code. Okay guys, just simply tell the referral code to your friend, and if he put your referral code, you can also get $5. Okay guys, so if you want to save money, just simply go to search icon, and here are the offers guide, so you can get these offers. So here are 5%, 20% off, 15% off, or $5 off. You can also use these offers to save your money on Cash App. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.